Severe thunderstorm warning for Bossier, DeSoto.
For the same storm. Yep.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Central Red River Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southern Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, north central Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mansfield, moving
Mansfield?
at 30 miles per hour.
I know a city named Mansfield.
Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Only penny?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I'm surprised it's not quarters.
Impacted include Mansfield, Coshada, Converse, Oak Grove, Pleasant Hill, South Mansfield.
Yeah, I highly doubt this is not gonna be a doubleheader.
Gloucester, Carmel, Lake Hen, Evelyn, Grand Bano, Kingston, Henna, Longview Bano, Pelican, and
They just canceled one severe thunderstorm warning for DeSoto and Sabin counties.
large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
That's orange
Move
lightning.
indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Oh, really?
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
This is not gonna.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, DeSoto, Natchitoches, Red River, and Sabine.